Are you struggling to move from Band 6 to Band 7 in IELTS Speaking? Here are 5 easy but powerful tips to improve your score. Tip number 1. Answer in full sentences. Do not give one-word answers. Always extend your response with clear reasons and relevant examples. This shows fluency and confidence. Tip number 2. Use linking words naturally. For example, firstly, in addition, however, for instance. These connectors improve your fluency and coherence, but remember, use them naturally, not in every sentence. Tip number 3. Improve your vocabulary. Use topic-specific words. Avoid repeating the same simple words again and again. Show the examiner that you can use a range of vocabulary accurately. Tip number 4. Focus on pronunciation. Speak clearly. Do not speak too fast. Stress important words correctly. Clear pronunciation makes a big difference in your band score. Tip number 5. Practice daily. Record your voice. Listen carefully and correct your mistakes. Confidence comes with practice, and consistency builds Band 7. Follow these 5 tips consistently, and you will see real improvement in your IELTS speaking score. Start practicing today.